This is not a rabbit. The hell? Why do people always drive past like super slow? It's like they're trying to figure out what we're doing this week.
Checking out my car.
Oh yeah.
Like, cause she's parked outside today.
Yeah, she's getting her. Getting her daylight. Yeah, so this is not a Fiesta, or this is a Fiesta. This is not a rabbit. This is not an RSX. This is not anything. This is Michelle's.
Not anything fun.
It's a daily. But we're gonna start something new. This is hashtag Daily Lives Matter. So, are they really lives though if they're cars, like machines?
What would you say? Hashtag Dailies Matter.
Dailies matters.
Dailies
Dailies matters
get
too.
into some
Hashtag yeah.
political trouble.
Yeah, let's not do that. Hashtag dailies matter. So, we were gonna check the transmission fluid on this, but because Ford is awesome and doesn't put drain plugs on them and haven't apparently for 10 years, you need a suction gun, which we don't have, and we also don't have the Ford synthetic junk that everybody swears that you need when you're doing these, at least from what I can tell. So we're gonna do something much less useful, which is headlights.
Hey, it's still useful. I can't see anything.
True, but okay, so in my mind, this is like, you know,
Not exciting.
yeah, I got my food service glove on. Very nasty, very oxidized. So we got this, do you want to show 'em? The headlight lens restored. I've used this on the RSX before, and I love it. Wash, which I'm guessing is what you're doing right now.
Yeah.
So she's washing the
Follow
headlight.
directions.
Yeah, big, important tip here. Follow directions. Clean it. Step one is clean it. Very clean.
It says cotton cloth.
Yeah, it says something about terry cloth in there.
Well, this one says apply lens clarifying compound to a cotton cloth.
Yeah.
And rub over entire lens using firm pressure. Buff with a clean terry cloth.
Okay, yeah, that's where.
Clean terry cloth.
Use a corner. Corner's clean. It's white still, technically.
Do you also have cotton?
That is cotton. Oh wait, no. There's something on the back of that actually. Plastic.
Fabric.
Cool. Okay.
Ooh, this is above my pay grade.
You don't. Circular motion. Circular motion. I'm gonna make you do all of this.
Oh, don't do that.
Circular motion. Let's put it on the cloth.
Okay. Put it on the cloth.
Put it on the cloth. And then here, you probably want this, even though I've already made it nice and.
Nope. I don't want your greenhouse glove. It did say we should use masking tape to protect the paint.
Well, there's masking tape somewhere over here.
We don't need to.
Okay, well then, oh, it's right there.
Here.
It's small, or whatever. So, just
I'll
don't,
just color in the lines.
just don't get it on the paint. That'd be bad.
How much am I supposed to use?
Start with a dime, go from there.
Like when you're trying out a new condition.
We gotta get the product placement.
Sponsor me, please.
Yeah, right. Turtle wax. Marcus used an entire tub of your wax on his car in 2 days. Sponsor us, because we need it. This kit's only made for like one set of headlights, so
One set.
yeah, like one, whatever. Oh wow, okay, that's you know, it's a lot, but
Hey, you said go bananas.
you go bananas. Still not swaying from that, like full send mode. Look how much better that looks already. Wow.
I'm too much of a perfectionist to do this.
Wow. Yeah, you can really you can see the oxidation levels. Like it's really bad from here up.
There's like this whole line.
Next.
Well, shouldn't we do each side and then go to the next step?
What?
You want to do one side?
We're gonna finish this. We're gonna finish this one. At least that's my thought, right? I mean, because then we can do it before and after, and then we can make a commercial out of this and send it to Total Wax and be like, sponsor us.
Sponsor my Fiesta.
Yeah, sponsored Garage Rats because we need more wax for Marcus's Jetta and other
Eventually the rabbit.
associated products. We just did that. Apply spray lubricant to the green the green pad right here.
Okay. Ooh, this is the fun part.
Yeah, this is the part where you get down and dirty.
This is the part where I'm supposed to wear gloves.
Yeah. We're not going to though because safety third. So apply spray lubricant to the green polishing pad and directly to the lens. Use pads on only those areas requiring restoration.
So just the top half.
Yeah, just the top half, like from like here,
Yeah.
all the way across and up on top.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Right. Interesting technique. I approve.
Trying to get it only where it's supposed to be.
Very, very solid technique.
Oh. Oh, just.
You're all over the place now. You've lost it. Use spray. Yeah, flip to tan side of the polishing pad. Number 2. Rub back and forth in opposite direction of the green pad for 1 minute. Let's say for a minute. Yep, 1 minute. Okay. Using the teal side of the second pad, repeat the process in the opposite direction for 1 minute. So that's teal.
Mhm.
That's perfect.
Yes.
I know colors.
Congratulations, you've passed kindergarten.
Hey, that's not fun. Fun kindergarten.
Did you? Does it matter which direction you do it in?
You have to keep alternating. So the last time
okay.
we did it.
Oh, so I get the hard one again. Unless
No,
you also
I'll do this. You did too. I did too. Yep, now we have to dry it with a hot towel. It's my friend. It's not my friend. It's better.
That already looks so much better. Looks a little hazy, but we're not done, so.
No, this next step's really magic.
Yeah. You can still see that line.
Yeah, that's just because.
That'll be there forever, I believe.
Yeah, until you completely sand it all down
Yeah.
and like re-clear it. But we're gonna let it dry to a haze and then buff with a cotton cloth. Whew. Lens clearance. I'm having a stroke.
Yeah, what's the temperature today?
It's hot. That's all I need to know.
Can't I go to your website and find out the temperature in the garage?
Yes, you can go to garagerats.com and you can see on.
Shameless plug.
I don't think so. I think I might have removed it. I don't remember. Okay, so you can't go to garageratmedia.com and do it, but you know, while you're there, go check out all the other stuff we did. Pictures, all the other videos. That's it.
Hashtag Jessica.
You're just obsessed with your car.
I am. Okay, who's not obsessed with their own car?
Very cute. I try to be, I try to like, love all the cars that are on GRM. But I'm like the poster child for GRM, so it's like I have to love everybody. Like I'm a dad of all the kids.
I thought Marcus was dad.
Marcus is dad. It's looking better.
I'm gonna actually be able to drive at night.
It's actually like clear. We're not done yet. We're not done yet.
It's gonna be the cleanest part of my car.
Did we just wash this thing?
Yeah, but it still feels dirty. Like if you pet my car.
Oh, you pet my car, yeah. Pour or restore both lenses before opening the lens base coat wipe. So we can't open these yet, so we're gonna have to go into the other ones. But
Okay.
this is a good time to look at before and after, just in this current state. We're not done yet, but that's before, and this is almost after,
Almost.
because we're not done.
Not quite.
It's not as far. Look how clear that is.
Right?
And that's so good. Okay. Last but not least, we do
second to last.
second to last. We're gonna do the lens base coat wipe, and once it's immediately dried, you have to follow up with.
No, it's not even dry. It's immediately follow with the lens.
Oh, I thought it said once dry, immediately
No.
follow. Okay, so yeah, so immediately then follow. With
Oh wait, no, it does say once dry. Never mind, you're right.
I thought I heard that.
Well,
It's hot. And if we don't finish this soon, we're gonna be killing each other. We're gonna be like trying to like kill each other with pry bars.
Yeah, we've got about 10 minutes until we get to that point.
Yeah, we're going to Sonic. So, wipe. And once she's done with the wiping, I'm gonna go stage 2 with my wipe. Oh, this one is weird. Slimy.
You're slimy.
Okay, so we did headlights on. Manual focus. There we go.
It's not a Focus, it's a Fiesta.
Wow. Not even what I was saying.
Well, everyone thinks it's a Focus.
It's not. It's clearly.
It's not a Focus, it's a Fiesta.
It's a little guy. Little girl.
She's shaped like an egg.
Yeah, it
Her
is.
name is Fiona.
The only thing I don't like about this, like the only thing that makes me like a little sad about this car, like it's still a good car for like daily stuff, but it's a
The sedan.
there's no rally car, WRC,
Not a hatchback.
rallycross.
I
This
wanted
car,
a hatchback, but this one was like $1,000 cheaper.
$1,000, I would have spent it. Give me a Ken Block Gymkhana little mini car, and then we get the EcoBoost with the choo-choo noises, and it's just fun. Flappy
Would it
paddle.
make you feel better if I put a wing on it?
Only if it's like the big like World Rallycross wing.
That's Jessica.
Dog slobbing. Look at dog. I said hi. Alright. We're gonna go wash our hands. Wash hands.
Yeah, so it doesn't be your skin.
Gross. Yes, well, I kinda like that a little bit. Weirdo. I like ooh, it's starting to tingle.
Yeah, let's go wash our hands. Come on.
Okay. Hands. Then we're going to Sonic. Slush. Wow. Good. Are they so slimy? Damn, they look good though. Oh my god.
Oh!
Legs turtle wax.
I'm so excited to drive it right now.
Oh, dude. I told her.
Help out Travis?
Yeah, I think we need to get Travis. Turtle wax, hook it up. Get the
Sponsor, please.
the sponsors, Turtle wax. I gotta go back to Sonic now.
Nice paint. Nice, good paint.
Marcus,
Huh.
we need to take you to.
Counseling? Absolutely.
We need to take you to something, dude. How many times have you waxed this?
This is second. Actually, this is only second wax on the hood.
And how long?
Yesterday.
Second wax since yesterday. When did you get this can?
A couple days ago. 2 days ago.
And how many cars have you done with this?
One.
Which one?
This one. I'm just saying half of them just don't even wax their car. I'm over here waxing my $300 daily.
Yeah.
Wax.
Wax? What's that? Meanwhile, he's over here putting wax on his wax, so his wax stays waxed.
Stacking wax on wax. Call me whack.